The Jet X125 ABS is a new small displacement commuter scooter from Taiwanese manufacturer SYM, recently launched in Europe. The Jet X125 serves as a solid option for individuals searching for a 125 scooter that is both affordable and reliable. The Jet X is as accessible and beginner-friendly as it gets, making it an excellent choice for young riders with an A1 license, as well as those with a B automobile license, looking to make the practical two-wheeled shift. In Spain, SYM is the fifth most popular scooter brand, after only Kymco and Honda, Yamaha, and Piaggio. With the Jet X125, SYM strengthens its position in the essential market for small 125cc scooters, which accounted for 16% of the entire scooter market in 2021. In essence, the Jet X125 is the Jet 14, a commuter model with a flat floor, but with a new engine, components, and overall design. The Jet X125 ABS is aimed at a more urban, sophisticated client, with a younger, fashion-conscious generation as its target market. Because of its sleek style, low pricing, and remarkable performance, SYM's sporty and stylish scooter stands out from the crowd. The SYM Jet X125 ABS's Euro 5, 4-stroke, 4-valve, liquid engine is indeed known for its dependability and performance. It is more powerful than its immediate competitors, with 12.5 horsepower on tap. Among its distinguishing characteristics is its sporty and aggressive front fascia. SYM has outfitted the Jet X125 with full LED lighting, which includes the turn indicators, giving the Jet X a premium look and feel. Furthermore, the distinct contours of the fairing give it a sporty and stylish appearance. The back has an elegant design as well, with full LED lights, a stepped-up passenger seat, and grab handle that matches the scooter's angular styling.